How's it going, everybody? This is a Midwest fan collector here with another fan video. Today I'll be showing you this clapped out SMC Laguna ceiling fan. I got this from a good buddy of mine last year at some time, and I've had it up ever since. I think you've probably seen a video on this before, a couple months back, but I thought I'd make a video of it myself. These fans, along with a few other fans, are what made me the fan collector I am today. When I was a little kid, I had one of these, actually this exact model in my tree house when I was a little kid. My grandpa built me a tree house with electricity, and that's where I used to play all my video games at, and he installed this fan. And when I was a little kid, I used to love playing with it, and sadly, when they sold that house, the fan was left there, and last year my buddy gave me this, and I love it. Like I said before, it's a little banged up. I mean, could use a new set of blades, but whatever. I think I put this 4-way light kit on just so I could see better in my closet, but I think it is a little overkill. And for those with headphones on, you might want to take the headphones off because this thing sounds like a train wreck. All right, we will start it up on low. Typical spinner low speed. Go to medium. It's a little wobbly. And for those that are going to freak out, no, the fan is not falling down. It's just that canopy's held up on one screw. I just need to tighten it down. There's medium. It's pretty decent air mover for this closet. It actually helps blow some of the cool air out into the bedroom. All right, now we'll go to high. It's noisy, but I love it. Turn it off. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.